Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Shalom Blac and I am back with a new video. You guys know I always do my makeup and I'm actually very terrified of people doing my makeup because I feel like I never get it, they never get it the way that I personally like my makeup. So I never really ask people to do my makeup, but you know what? I'm opening myself to new things and I want to see, you know, what other artists that I personally love to watch on Instagram and YouTube to see what they can do with my face, because I feel like a lot of people kind of get intimidated with my scars and they don't really know how to work with it. But I have a special guest. We have Ashley. Isn't she so cute?
Listen, y'all, I'm kind of nervous. Y'all, I don't do this YouTube
Don't
stuff.
be nervous. Listen. And she used to be on YouTube, guys.
Used to.
And she's
trying.
I mean, listen, if Instagram is working perfectly fine, there's no need to fix anything, okay? I think we just met on Instagram.
It was Instagram. It was wild. It was like when you're, I remember when your story, like you were posting your story, it was like before like it got on the, like everywhere, like you went on TV, everything.
Yeah.
I was following you since then. Before then.
We were following each other for a while. And I used to be like, oh my gosh, she's just so
I was like,
good.
I already knew that your story was already like something. So that's why I was always, that's why we followed each other. Honestly, I was intrigued, to be honest. So
I was definitely intrigued with your makeup talent. And I remember you were on YouTube, but you're not quite consistent on there. But her Instagram is popping. She does the colorful eyeshadows. Skin is like flawless.
Thank you.
So finally she's here in LA for BeautyCon. Everybody's in town. And she told me, I was like, girl, you have to try and do my makeup.
Got to.
I'm still nervous, but let's see. Like,
it's gonna be bomb.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I think I'm gonna have to like rate it. You know, I don't want to like rate your work, but I'm gonna
definitely rate it.
Your work.
Give me all the tea,
because I love it on other people. But let's see what you got on
me. Got you. Period.
Okay, so Ashley is going to be beating my face. We're going to be using my product because she didn't bring her stuff.
I didn't bring my kit, y'all,
to the house, but it's completely okay. But yeah, okay, so let's just go ahead and get into it. Do you want to tell us what exactly you're gonna be working, like what you're gonna be doing? I'm just gonna go with the flow.
I go with the flow. Like I don't come in with, I guess, idea unless I'm told. But I'm always a freestyler. I like freestyling.
Okay, let's
the creative juices roll. You know,
let's do this. I am ready for you, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start with brows. Okay. I don't know. I guess because we're. What palette? Should we show them the palette that we're working with?
Eyeshadow palette?
Yeah.
Yes, let's do it.
So we're gonna play with like this cool glam light palette.
Right here.
Like the new.
So this is the palette from Glam Light. This is a freaking colorful palette.
And it's really hefty though. Like I like the packaging. Like the packaging feels like, you know, weight. So we're gonna try to, she said she doesn't like eyeshadow like that. So we're gonna do like a little bit of color. You know,
but I want you to do whatever.
Okay.
If you want to go ham on color, go ahead. Feel free.
Yeah, I heard it here first.
Do you want to get your style? Like, don't do the style of my makeup. Do the style of your makeup.
Gotcha.
That you like to.
You want to have a hot chick face on you. There you go. Just taking some translucent powder or any kind of powder just to mattify that surface. I'm excited. Oh my god.
I'm super excited.
Because I met Shalom. Well, we actually met each other face to face with Lavi. Right?
Which was like...
That was a photo shoot.
It was a photo shoot?
Yeah. You were in Miami.
Yes. I was going to say when you came to LA, but we met before that time. Yes. And then the second time was like a few weeks ago. You came to LA. What is it for? BET.
Yeah, BET Awards.
Yes. And then we were supposed to link up, but it didn't happen.
It didn't happen because it was just a whole lot going on.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna
lie.
It
was so much, but we still saw each other.
That was weird. We definitely did.
We went to House of CB, and we came. You guys came in when we were leaving. I was like, that's crazy.
Like, wow. Like that was what happened. See?
Yeah. A lot of the people that have done my makeup at shoots. Like my first time I did a L'Oreal shoot and I got my makeup done, and mind you, this person that did my makeup is like a very famous, like high profile makeup artist. It was not good, and I'm gonna tell you why. I felt like it was not good. Like, I'm sorry, I look terrible. I look very ashy.
No.
And to mind you, it was a commercial that I shot
Right.
with L'Oreal, but it never made it. My part never made it to television because apparently, obviously, they
didn't like it. Yeah, they didn't. Yeah, it wasn't what it was.
No.
Oh, that sucks. That's a waste of time. Like, damn.
So I mean,
you could
I'm
have
like,
drawn makeup then.
yeah,
if that's the case.
It's not her fault because with my scar, like I mentioned, that's why for so long I honestly never let anybody do my makeup because they just never get it.
I feel like I don't know. I'm not that nervous to doing your makeup. I just feel like I don't know. Maybe because you do your makeup regularly. I'm like I could do your makeup.
Yeah, I do my makeup like a regular way.
Right, regular way. So I'm like, you know, I do the same thing. Use the same products, so I'm not at that thing. So we're gonna clean up the brows with. What is this, the Omi? That's how you pronounce it?
Oma Beauty.
Oma Beauty. Yeah. First time using this concealer, so we're going to see.
The other person that did my makeup that I really love was Patrick Starr.
Wakanda forever! You, come here. Wakanda, thank you for beating my face.
Yeah, I seen that video.
I definitely and my face was beat.
No, he is freaking talented.
Yeah.
Like, honestly, I've been following Patrick Starr for a long time, though. The fact that he followed me, though, I'm like, okay, hello, celebration.
He's so sweet. You're gonna love him even in person.
Yes. Oh, you say he's gonna be there, though?
I think he is going to be at BeautyCon. Gotcha. I'm not positive.
There's a lot of products coming out every time. So.
Every day, girl. I'm like, wow, the beauty community is shook. Like, I did not know it was going to be as big. But I'm like, beauty has always been here and it's always going to be here. Oh, it's always going to be here,
yeah.
You know, so I'm so happy that I'm like in this community, even though, you know, if we don't, you know, include all the BS that goes on in the community.
The drama. But we ain't going to talk about that.
The mess.
The mess.
Other than
that,
that,
I ain't gonna lie, it's a whole lot of mess. But you know what?
A lot.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
Oh my god.
It's like every week it's always something. But
there's always something.
I guess that's what keeps it intriguing though. With that drama, I guess is like
YouTube, social media. But before I feel like it wasn't like that. Like, but hey, whatever.
It probably was. We just probably didn't pay attention.
No, because we're not in it.
Yeah,
right?
we're not in it. Yeah. So
yeah.
Oops. Hello, hi. How are you? Good. I like I heard something. Some footsteps.
That's my older sister.
Older sister, yeah? How many sisters do you have?
I have 2 sisters.
Okay, cool. Are you the middle or are you
middle?
Middle, gotcha.
Yep.
Alright, so let's set this. Where's the thing? Where's the tab? Right here. There we go.
Girl, that's me when I do my makeup. I'm like,
where's
something will be right in front of my face and I'll be freaking out like, where is it?
Girl, I do that all the time.
How did you start doing makeup and like how old were you? Like, tell us like the story.
Alright, so let me start from the beginning, right? Alright, so in 2012, that's when I graduated high school. I wasn't sure from the get-go what I wanted to do, but I see that everybody's going to college. You know, that's the basic norm. Go to college and get your diploma, blah, 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 blah. Not diploma, but your degree. And whatever. So, mind you, I wasn't, of course, the most financial stable. You know, I had a lot going on. My mom passed that same year. You know, I have 4 other siblings, you know, it's just a whole lot. And I have an older sister, so she's pretty much, you know, the mom of us now because my mom is gone. So me running away from my problems, I call it that now. I kind of see what I did. You know, I ran away from, you know, being there. So I left for college. I found a way to find some money. I don't know how I did it. I made it happen.
But that's determination if that's what you wanted to do.
That's what I wanted to do, but I know I was following my friends. Like, let's just be real. Because they know what they want to, you know, be. And I didn't know.
I feel you about that.
It was deep. So I left, you know, for 2 years. I was there for 2 years, but I had to come back after the second year because the second year, it was tough. Like the first year, I found, like I said, I found money, I found grants and everything. It was an easy ride that first year. That second year, without me working, and I'm already used to working, you know, before I went to college, it was different. Like, it really woke me up that I can't be broke anymore.
Right.
Honestly, it taught me that brokenness is not the way.
You really get to a certain age that it's not really a choice. Like, you have to work.
At all. Like, girl, I don't like depending on people, so I guess that's just what it is. So I moved back home. Well, I started, with the makeup, right? I was in a makeup, what am I saying? Let me get my words together. I was in a modeling troupe, right? It's called IMT Images. I went to FAMU, by the way. And with them, we had to learn how to do our makeup. Like, that's just one of the things, being a model and all that stuff.
Right.
Mind you, I was not a model. Like, I don't know. I just did it, but I'm glad that I did do it. It taught me a lot. Taught me how to walk in heels, you know, be a woman. So, so people loved the makeup that I was doing. It was like, oh, sis, you know, they cut, you know, you had like LBs, like line brothers and line sisters. So my line sisters used to ask me to do their makeup and everything. And, you know, I didn't take it seriously. It was just like, okay, I'll do your brows and put a little foundation on you. That's fine. So I moved back home. Hold on, I'm trying to see what other color So I moved back home. Let's jump into this blue. So I moved back home now, you know, now that everything is said and done. I took like 2 prom clients because my sister had like a friend that wanted their makeup done for their prom. And another person, I don't know, they just reached out to me. Wasn't taking it seriously at then. I didn't know that I was, you know, a makeup artist at that moment. So once I did that and I posted on my social media, that's when, you know, people started asking, I want my makeup done too. So that's how it kind of started.
Wow.
Yeah.
And I always say this, whatever is for you is
for you.
For you.
That's it. That's
like,
period.
It's going to find you somehow, some ways, you know?
Girl, when I tell you...
I'm sorry. So like when I come to Miami,
period,
you do my makeup.
Listen,
like,
we are
all the time.
We is friends now.
I'm not touching my face anymore. That's just it. Okay. Yeah.
Now, this is fun.
I'm literally shook, guys. You have no idea.
Now this is a beat though. This ain't no.
This is not Shalom beat.
This is a beat. This ain't for everybody.
This is not Shalom's beat.
Ooh, blink it on that. I know the eyeshadow fall out. Yeah. Should we do some blush? Blushity blush.
Yes.
And some mascara. Can you get it? I'm gonna cut this out. Just long bottom lashes. Mine be struggling. No, you do.
Really? Nobody ever tell me that.
Girl, mine be struggling. I don't got this much lashes. Ooh, this is beautiful. What is this? Chocolate. I guess I only have the topaz one. That's the only one I use. But I'm not a highlight girl on myself. No? I don't highlight.
Yeah, sometimes I don't do highlight because I feel like my skin just kind of creates its own highlight sometimes. Right. So I just skip the highlight.
Right. Like my skin is oily too quick, so that's why I kind of skip it.
But usually when I'm not filming, when I film, I just put it on, you know.
Yeah, just for the extraness of it. Yeah.
But do you remember back in the days when people tried to make their lips look smaller? No. And so yes, they do. Yeah, they would line like inside. Like nobody used to like line go all outside. The way out. Yeah,
they was weird back
people
then.
used to do that. I remember watching. Is it just me tripping or what?
I don't know. Really, I don't know how that looked. The little lip era.
Yeah, they used to make it look smaller.
Yep, peachy now. Alright, so I'm gonna pop them together.
Okay, guys, so we are
finished.
Beating the face. And I have to say, I mean, I was watching the whole time because I just had to.
Oh yeah, you had, of course.
My face, I'm sorry.
Flawless. She like, I gotta go out tonight.
No, literally, we are gonna go out tonight because I look way too good. Like I'm literally shook. I've never done my makeup like this.
Beat. It's not for everybody. Remember that, it's not for everybody.
No,
we doubled the lashes. I took her out of her comfort zone.
We doubled the lashes.
Double the lashes.
2 lashes. This eyeshadow, you guys know I never go like all the way up there, but we went all the way up there. Like
we went there.
We had to add
I was like,
accessories.
add some accessories. We gotta show them what it is.
Come
okay,
on. Come on.
We did that.
Listen, okay, so from now on, basically, whenever you are in LA, you're gonna have to do my makeup.
Of course.
Or when I'm in Miami, or wherever we happen to be together. My
Is it inevitable?
My makeup has to be done by you.
Listen, I'm here.
Now it's time for me to rate you.
Come on, let's do the rating. Be honest. Be straight up.
Okay, do you want me to go like down from eyebrows to everything?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, eyebrows is a 10.
10.
No, seriously.
Your girl get a 10 straight off. Okay.
10. I'm literally shook that you are able to like work with absolutely nothing because I barely have anything.
You know, it's crazy because to me it's easier when like somebody doesn't have like brows. It's easy because I can visualize. I can visual. You can make your own brow.
Right.
It's easy.
Yeah.
Honestly,
that's true.
To me, it's easy.
Some people find it very difficult. Eyeshadow. Off the roof, and you made it look so easy because you just went like with like 3 colors.
Yeah, just like three
literally 3 colors. When I sit here and I try to do something colorful, bruh, I use so many colors that it starts to look like mud.
Okay,
So the fact that you just like made it's like so simple. Aww. It looks like she did a lot, but literally
it was like 3 steps.
It was so like simple, but it looks freaking amazing. And then the lashes, I love that you went with the 2 because it's dramatic, and I love dramatic, but I get quite a little bit nervous, even though some of you guys think I'm dramatic with my makeup, but Ashley is in a whole nother level.
I'm on a whole other level. I like a good beat. BB. Oh, not at all.
Like beat. You guys are gonna see her Instagram as we talk. I'm showing her work. She's bomb. Complexion, amazing. The coverage is bomb. Like I feel like you got my coverage, even though you use like basically the stuff that I use.
Honestly, I love whatever I use. Now I'm gonna go pick it up. Now she's gonna make me buy stuff that I don't need. That's the issue.
I told her, I'm like, girl, you gotta try the makeup forever, and she tried it on me, and she was like, okay, I see what
I'm picking it up.
About.
Taking a picture.
You need to get all the colors, especially for your clients. I think you're gonna love it.
Wow.
So yeah, that is the 10. Everything is a 10. I'm not even like, I'm not trying to be nice or anything. I absolutely like genuinely love my makeup. I really do.
I get 10s. Nah, you being too nice. I get 10s across the board.
No, yes you do. I'm being
Thank
so
you.
serious.
I appreciate it though. Let me sit in that. Okay. Listen. Period. Look at the face.
But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you love what Ashley did to my face, let us know in the comment section down below. And if you want me to bring somebody else to try to do my face, let me know who it should be the next time. Or if you have any suggestions. I feel like this should be like a tag. Like I tag you to do.
This should be like a thing though on your channel.
No,
have somebody just come and mess your whole life up.
Just
on makeup.
Mess me up, please.
I
need the change. But yeah, so let us know in the comment section down below. I'm going to leave all Ashley's information on the screen or in the description bar. So you guys make sure you follow the homegirl, support her, book her. She's in Miami and she also travels. So guys, you need a wedding person, you need prom. Prom is coming next year. Well, next year.
Shoot,
anything
like it's like right on the corner. Yeah. They be ready. Them prom girls be ready. But
I'm telling
anything,
you.
y'all hit me up. I'm here.
She's so sweet. She's so nervous. Thank you so much, Ashley. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Remember to always be
your own kind of beautiful.
Bye.